In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check templates in Zoho CRM. Let's start right from the beginning. First, sign in to your Zoho CRM account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see your modules like leads, contacts, deals, and so on. Now, to access your templates, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon, which represents the Setup section. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where most of your configuration and customization options live. After clicking Setup, you'll see a page with different sections and settings. Take a moment to locate the area labeled Customization. This is the section where you control how your CRM looks and behaves, including fields, layouts, and, in our case, templates. Click on Customization to expand or open that section. Within Customization, find and select Templates. Clicking Templates will take you into the main Templates area of Zoho CRM. This is where all your different types of templates are organized, so you can easily review and manage them. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll see different categories. One of the most commonly used is email. Choose email if you want to check templates used for standard communication, such as follow-ups, confirmations, or announcements you send directly from the CRM. When you open this category, you'll be able to scroll through your list of email templates, preview them, and make sure the content, formatting, and merge fields, like names and deal details, are correct before using them in your outreach. You'll also see a category called Inventory. Select Inventory if you need to check templates that are related to your quotes, invoices, sales orders, or purchase orders. These are usually your print or PDF layouts. Opening this section lets you review how your documents are structured, including your logo placement, terms and conditions, and any custom fields you might have added. This is especially important if you're sending documents directly to customers and want everything to look polished and consistent. Depending on your setup, you might also see options for other integrated services, such as electronic signature templates or similar tools. If those appear, you can access them from this same templates area to review their design and content as well. And that's the basic process. Log in, open Setup, go to Customization, then Templates, and choose the template category you want to review.